Welcome to Make, Taste, Rate, where we test viral recipes for you. This recipe has had over 1 million views. It says it's so easy, made with simple ingredients, but is it easy? Is it worth it? Let's make it. It's a chocolate mousse cake and it looks decadent. Here are the ingredients that we will need. First, the chocolate cake layer recipe. We need to sift all the dry ingredients into a bowl. Toss in a cup of caster sugar and a pinch of salt. Whisk together to combine. In a separate bowl, crack in 1 egg and give it a quick whisk. Add the cooking oil and the milk. Mix it all up as per the video. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Whisk it into a smooth batter. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. Do you think this cake is going to be delicious? Continue mixing into a lump-free batter. Pour in the hot water a little at a time and mix. Now we need to pour the batter into a prepared cake pan. It looks a little runny, but the creator says that's okay. We bake the cake for 30 minutes, checking it from time to time. There are lots of steps, but it makes the recipe look so easy. We need to make the coffee syrup. Place the water and sugar in a saucepan and put it on the heat to bring to boil, whisking until dissolved. Take off the heat, add the coffee and stir until dissolved. Checking the cake and it's rising nicely. Time to make the chocolate mousse. The recipe did say to use 70% dark chocolate, but I'm using dark chocolate buttons. Pour 1/3 cups of heavy cream into a saucepan and place it on the heat. Watch for the bubbles on the side, do not let it boil. The cake has 5 minutes to go. Pouring the hot cream over the chocolate and allow it to sit for 1 minute. Cake is ready. Removing the cake from the oven, it does look really good. While the cake is cooling, we stir the cream and the melted chocolate together, stirring vigorously to create a silky smooth ganache. Removing the grease-proof paper from the cake, I'm leaving my cake upside down for an even top. Brushing on the coffee syrup, allowing it to soak into the cake. Placing the cake into a prepared spring form pan. As per the recipe, we will now whip 1 cup of heavy cream and a tablespoon of caster sugar into soft peaks. Also whipping the chocolate ganache to thicken. Does this recipe look easy so far? Would you make it? We would love to know your thoughts. Let us know in the comments. Adding the whipped cream to the chocolate to create a mousse. It is very satisfying. The mousse is looking delicious. Spoon the mousse over the cake and spread it evenly. Ready to pop into the fridge for 2 hours to set. 2 hours later, look at this. Time to try this chocolate mousse cake. If you're enjoying this recipe, subscribe right down there. Alright, time for the make, taste, rate, verdict. We think this recipe is worth it. An 8 out of 10. Join us next time when we test another viral recipe.